Our customers just rent the tech from us, what they need and when they need it. And that is really a core philosophy of the circular economy.
Hi Marianne, thank you for joining us today. Can you start off by telling us a little bit about what Grover is?
Yeah, sure. Well, thank you for the invitation. So I'm the head of sustainability of Grover, and Grover is a company based in Berlin, and we enable our customers to access the tech they want when they want it, without having to own it.
And who are your customers and what kind of tech are we talking about?
Well, our customers really come from a broad range of ages, and they use the tech in all sorts of different ways. It's really an offering for everybody. We really want to make sure that every person has the tech they want to have, to participate in the daily life and to unfold their potential. And we make sure that there is no tech divide in society. And we want to make sure that the resources that are in these tech products are used in the best possible way through our rental model.
So how does it actually work as a business? Like, how would a customer get involved?
So really, we celebrate access over ownership at Grover, right? So our customers just rent the tech from us, what they need and when they need it. And that is really a core philosophy of the circular economy, right? Because we rent out the tech, and you can rent the tech from us when you need it. And when you don't need it anymore, you can return it to us. And we make sure that it is properly cleaned and then given to the next customer, so more customers can use and share the same asset base. And then also we really take care of the products, because we want to make them last as long as possible. So we provide you with the cases and everything to make sure that they are protected in daily life. But also when they break, we make sure that they get properly and professionally repaired to maximize the lifetime of the product. And then essentially, really important, we also take care of the products at the end of life, right? Because you only rent the tech from us, they naturally end up with us at the end of life, and we give them to professional recyclers. And we make sure that the materials and devices are kept in the loop and not in the drawers. Because look at this, in Germany alone, there's 200 million smartphones stored somewhere in the cupboards, right? And we make sure that this doesn't happen, because these valuable resources are just kept in the economy.
You've kind of answered it there already, but how do you see it fitting in the wider circular economy?
I think this is really an exciting, or also for me exciting, to work at Grover, because Grover really makes this product as a service model. This is so inherent to the circular economy work at scale. We are growing rapidly. We are also expanding our product base to all different sorts of tech. You cannot only rent the smartphone or the tablet from us, but also your washing machine or your e-scooter. And really to make sure that the product is taken care of in the best possible manner, and that the caring and the repair of the product, and especially also the end-of-life treatment, is not left to the customer, but really with someone at the company who is responsible for the products and makes sure that it's used in the best manner and also really recycled at the end.
So Marianne, can you tell me a little bit about what drew you to work in the circular economy?
Well, I personally think that the circular economy has a very, very big role to play if we want to fight climate change and really create an economy that is in sync with nature. Because the core thing about the circular economy for me is to disentangle value creation from resource consumption and make sure that we actually maximize the value that we get and minimize the input of resources, and just find smarter ways to use our resources. And I'm personally very enthusiastic about the topic, and I've done my PhD on it, I've worked at McKinsey on it, and now I'm really, really thrilled to work at Grover that actually scales a business model on this product as a service business model, which is one of the core business models for the circular economy, and really work on this transformation of our economy.
Thank you so much for talking to us today.